Right now, as we speak, there are thousands of artists who are losing touch with their creative energy, their creative force because of these tech companies. Instagram and TikTok is so addicting that a lot of artists are now consuming way more than they create, and that's a real problem. And AI won't be any different. AI will be used to distract you from what actually matters. And that is making stuff. If you're watching this, you're probably afraid of what that means for you. What does AI generated art mean for your art practice? And ultimately, it means that you should be making art a lot more. Because ultimately, these tools will be used to distract you from the reality that you care about. There's a creative voice within you that does not change regardless of these tech companies. It doesn't change regardless of what computers are able to make in the future. Sitting down and actually drawing is such a valuable tool, and it will only become more valuable as these tech companies focus more and more on distracting you away from things that matter to you. Being able to sit down and draw and actually be with yourself will only become more valuable as these tech companies grow. I understand why professional artists might be worried about this. But if you're a hobbyist, which most of you are, then ultimately it was always about you. It was always about you being in touch with this voice within you. And that is not going to change. You can try right now to take a break from drawing for 2 months and see how you actually feel. So much of your well-being as a creative comes from being creative. You will not be able to leave that behind. Trust me, I have tried many times. I've tried many times to walk away from being a creative, and it doesn't work. It just doesn't work because that is who you are. It's at the core of your existence. And no matter what they invent, right? They can invent the coolest things, computer-generated things. It doesn't matter because ultimately, as a creative person, there's a part of you that wants to come out. And that thing, that voice, can only speak when you sit down and draw and make things by your own hands. No matter how cool these prompters and AI generated things are, that's not going to change. Because those things will not get to the core of who you are. Because when you sit down and actually make something by hand, it actually helps you grapple with your reality and who you are. And that is not going to change at all. So I think that drawing as a skill will only become more valuable to you over time, because it actually helps you connect with that voice in a deeper way that will be harder and harder over time. It's only going to get harder to sit down and focus on drawing. So if you want to learn how to focus on that, you should learn that now, learn that skill now, while it's still easier than it will be in the future. The reason why I focus so heavily on teaching artists is because I believe at my core that human beings are better when they're aligned with their creativity. I think that when artists are aligned with who they are deep inside, the world becomes a better place. So in my mind, I have this mantra that I win when they draw. And they is you, right? Like when my students draw, I win because the world becomes a better place. And I genuinely believe that. And that belief will not change. That belief is so core because I know deep in my heart that when artists actually make stuff, they become better people. I'm a better person to my friends when I've sat down and drawn. If I draw today, I know when I go out and see my friends, I will be a better person because I will be more aligned with who I actually am. And those things, that's true for everyone. That's true for every artist I've ever met. It's true for every hobbyist I've ever met. It's true for every creative. And I think ultimately that everyone has a creative side to them. And I do think that everyone could benefit from making stuff. I think that everyone could benefit from being artists. And you know that already. That's why you're watching this video. So do not abandon that voice. Don't abandon that part of you just because these computers can do some calculation and spill out some slop for people to look at. None of those things matter. AI generated images, who cares? Who cares? It's not about that. It was never about the outcome. You always knew that. You always knew that there were going to be artists that are way more talented than you. You already knew that, right? None of us were under the impression that we would become the best artists in the world. Right? Because ultimately that doesn't even exist. But we were never under that impression. The reason why we sit down and draw is because we care about being in alignment with that voice. You knew that from the beginning. And that has not changed, right? If computers can create beautiful images, who cares? There were other artists making beautiful images anyway, so what difference does it make? Ultimately, it was always about being in alignment with who you are deep inside, which is that creativity. And that's not going to change. It's not going to change, and it's only going to become more important. And I'm realizing that more and more now because I did struggle with AI generated images. I was struggling a little bit about it, around it, because I was like, okay, well, what does this mean? What does it mean for me as an artist? And the conclusion I've come to is it's only made making art way more valuable. It's only making art more valuable. It's just, it seems so obvious now that I've come to this side of it. But when I was on the other side, I was struggling a little bit, like 2 years ago, a year ago. I was grappling with it a little bit. But now I'm realizing that no, actually, this is what matters. It was never about the outcome. It was never about having finished a piece. It's about creating a piece. It's about the experience of making something. And that is not going to change. So if you are an artist, which you are, if you're watching this, you are an artist, you're interested in creativity, then make sure that you draw more. Focus more on the things that matter to you, because these tech companies want your attention. They just want to grab it and hold on to it because that's an easy way for them to make money, but while making the world a lot worse. That's another topic for the day. But ultimately, you know that you're a better person when you sit down and do things that matter to you. And I assume that's making art. Make stuff because it's what matters. Make stuff because it makes the world a better place, because you become a better person by making stuff. Not by having made stuff, but by making stuff, right? Not about having a finished piece, but working on a piece, working on a mini project. Those are the things that matter. And if you have the courage to continue making art in the face of the world changing, make sure to also check out my 15 crucial lessons video that will be linked below. This will save you years of struggle. I wish I had this video when I was first started out, so go check out that video linked in the description. And when you are ready, I'll see you in the Inner Artist course, which is also linked below. Bye, see you in the next one, and make sure to stick to drawing. Why stop? Don't stop. You know you want to keep doing it.